Hello Internet. Today we have this delicious looking 7900 XT from AMD. I don't know exactly what happened to this card, and I honestly don't care that much. All I want is to get it fixed and make another AMD owner happy, so let's get straight into it and get it done. As I mentioned earlier, AMD 7900 XTs are so delicious, someone couldn't resist to take a bite out of it, and now it's dead. So I'll start by repairing the crack first, and then we'll see. In theory, crack is repaired, and presence of voltages on the board looks promising, so next step to take is to run a memory test. But I won't do that because I don't have the version that supports this card just yet. All I can do at this point is to look into the device manager and the GPU-Z, both of which confirm memory errors, and knowing we had a crack and now we have memory issues, my only option is to start lifting memory chips closest to the crack and hope we find some ripped pads. And the more memory chips I remove, the more ripped pads I find. So it seems the crack size does not matter. And with that said, I will also reball the core, fix any ripped pads, and let's see if that helps. Okay, let's check for resistances, make sure we didn't create any new problems, and it looks like it's fine. Followed by a quick data line check, also looking good. Followed by powering the card, and it seems to draw a reasonable 1.4 amps. Let's check for power stage activities. I suspect most of them will not be active due to power saving feature of this card. And after waiting it to boot for long enough, it finally gave us a picture. I was later able to get the software I need to run the memory test, and it looks good, and I was able to run the Valley. So now it's time to cover up the exposed traces and make it look a little bit more appealing for the eyes. Maybe a little bit more delicious too, I don't know. And with the card assembled, I'll run a stress test and benchmarks to make sure it works as expected, which as you can see it does. And that's it for this repair. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. And if you need a repair, please contact me by following the link in my channel about page. Goodbye.